Hi YouTube, today I have the Behandig 6 glasses designed by Susan Pryke from IKEA at a very low price of 70 zlotys, which is around not even €4 for 6 glasses made out of glass that you can put in the washing machine. I think it's a good price. Let's open the box up. So these are the 6 glasses made out of kind of thick glass, which means that perhaps they could withstand some shortfall, but I should not try it. At the bottom they have the IKEA logo, which is apparently you can see it only like this. Made in China, nice price. Not to put out in an official dinner, I would say, because they're very simplistic glasses, but for everyday use I think they're okay. They can take, I don't know how much water they can take. I think it's 30 cl, which is around 300 ml, something like that. Yes, 300 ml. So not an entire Coke can or a soda can, but for just water, I think that's okay for everyday use. So at this price point, I think they're okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.